Hello guys, my name is Bon and welcome back. And today we are going to be talking about my thoughts on why Warren Buffett sold all of his airline stocks. And then I'm going to be talking about why I'm going to be buying some airline stocks, which is counterintuitive. And then I'll be going over the prices that I'll be buying the stocks at. So let's go. Alright, so first, my thoughts on why Warren Buffett sold all his airline stocks. So it turns out that Warren Buffett has sold all of his stocks in all of his airlines. That includes in Delta, United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and American Airlines. He has sold all of it. Everything is gone. He spent $7 billion on it, and after he sold it, he ended up with $3 to $4 billion. So he lost almost 50% of his investments. Now, why? Why did he sell it? Well, the main thing that he talked about was that the traveling business is changing, or it has changed. People are going to be traveling different, and it's going to be a whole new different environment. He is a very big numbers guy, so he doesn't like to take unnecessary risks that he doesn't know his percentages of winning and losing is. And that was what the airline companies were to him. He couldn't forecast the proper numbers, so he decided to let go all of his airline stocks and start over. Alright, and so if the great Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has decided to let go all of his stocks in airlines, why am I gonna be buying airline stocks? Well, it's because I'm not Warren Buffett. And I don't have billions of dollars where I need to make sure that I need to keep my assets instead of taking risk, okay? My portfolio only has like $7,000, and even though that's a good amount of money to me, okay, it's not like life-changing money. His money is very life-changing, so I'm not him, and I can afford to take a little bit more risk. Also, I'm not a long-term investor. Right? I do believe in investing in the index and investing in the long term. I do have other investments in long-term index stocks. But for this portfolio and this account, I'm going to be very bullish. I'm going to take advantage of the stock market crash and take advantage of the very, very low prices of these companies. I'm not playing for the long term. I'm playing for, I don't know, 2 weeks to a month, maybe 2 months, depending on how that goes. If I can buy it at a very cheap price, get a 50% increase on my money, I am happy. I'll sell it and then we part ways. And reason number 3 is that the airline prices are at historic low. They have never been lower, especially for some of these companies. They are actually very, very undervalued. And after the news conference on Saturday, I am very, very sure that Monday is going to be super, super bad for the airlines. I would not be surprised if they fall another 10%. I mean, what's another 10% compared to all the things that they've lost? Man, it's going to be very, very bad on Monday. So, watch out for it. But then afterwards, maybe it's probably a good time to jump back in. So that is when I'll be jumping back in. And these are the prices that I plan to jump back in on. Okay, so these are the prices that would make it worth it for me to invest in some of the airline stocks. And some of them are actually almost there. So first off, Delta. Currently it is at $24.10. Its 52-week high is $63. 52-week low is $19. My target price is $17. Chances are I will not be able to buy Delta because Delta is the strongest airline in all these 4. Its volatility is not very high, so that means at 24, it's not very likely that it'll hit $17. And $17 is what I'm comfortable buying it at. So I probably won't buy it unless it hits 17. If it hits 17, I'm definitely going to buy all these stocks if it hits these numbers. Southwest Airlines. It is currently at $29. Its 52-week high is $58.8. Its 52-week low is $28. My target price is $25. Southwest Airlines is actually very, very solid. The stock only dropped by half, unlike other ones where it dropped by almost a third. The next one is United Airlines. It's currently at 26.6. Its 52-week high is $96. Its 52-week low is $17.18. What I am comfortable at buying would be $18. If it hits $18, I'll buy. But that is another $8 off. And I feel like that is very hard to do. But if it hits $18, I'll buy it. I think it's a good buy at $18. For American Airlines is actually one of the weakest airlines out of these four airlines. It's currently trading at $10.80. 52-week high is $35. 52-week low is $9. Last time I said that I would buy American Airlines at $9.50. I've actually lowered that bar to $9. I think it might even drop below $9. But realistically, I'm comfortable at buying it at $8.50. 9 is probably okay. 9 is okay, but I'm comfortable at buying it at $8.50. So if it hits $8.50, I'll definitely buy it. And American Airlines is one of the ones that I'm more likely to buy. American Airlines is the one that I'm most likely to buy. United Airlines is number 2. So all those two, whichever one hits the target price first, I'll definitely buy it. Alright guys, so those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about my positions. Do you guys think that I'm crazy for going against the great Warren Buffett? Or like, are you guys also in the same boat? Are you guys just want to jump in at the very low price and then get out when you make a profit? Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. But that is where I am at. I'm not at the stage with like Warren Buffett where I need to make sure that I keep my money instead of risking it. I try to minimize my risks, but minimizing my risk is basically just playing with large cap companies. That is how I minimize my risks. But I'm still very risky in some ways. So, alright, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my content, please hit the like button and please hit subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!